whisper slow in a song. Cold steel hands stretched too long. Cracks in the earth where shadows crawl. Ashes rise, ashes fall.
Refiner's fire burn me clean. Through the dark, through the lean, your flame my guide, my unseen. Refiner's fire burn me clean.
Smoke twists like a serpent's grin. Wind cuts deep under my skin. I walk this forge of black and white, chasing dawn through endless night. Will it break me or make me whole? Will I find the gold? Refiner's fire burn me clean.
Through the dark, through the lean, your flame my guide, my unseen. Refiner's fire burn me clean.
The stone, a blaze that hums in holy tones.
Not alone, no. Not alone.
And there you have it, guys. That's my submission for the Winter Fire Starting Challenge, courtesy of the Fire Viper. Till next time, guys. God bless.